Hi, this is me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This is part 4B, I'm going to call it, because it's exactly like the other one. When I watch my own videos, I find mistakes I make. Well, not mistakes, but ways you could do it better. So I'm going to delete all the lines that we did in the previous video. If you ever have that happen, just delete another line first. And I'm just going to delete the lines we don't need, but in the previous video, I had to do it on both sides. See, there we go again. I'm kind of lost. Whenever that happens, just back up and start cutting. But because I draw in the center of the page, and I'm a big fan of it, and this is where it really kind of, I'm going to call it, shines through. We're going to leave those other lines, but because I draw in the center of the page, I can take a 2-point line, hold down the control button so it's perpendicular, and then hit P. I can take my virtual segment delete key and delete all this. I can take my line away. I can take my pick tool and Control D and make a duplicate. And while holding down the control button, grab this middle one until you get that two-sided arrow, and bam. I didn't have to delete the lines on this side because they're already done. Of course, you'd want to put all those lines together, so you're going to take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And we went over this in the last video. Make your new shape a different color. And then you can left click, right click, and there's your cutout line. Perfect. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.